Good evening and welcome to the Batcar Meetup. Today we have two contestants who will be competing for the top prize. To my left we have Christian Bale Batman, who has once again brought his tumbler. Certainly a fan favorite amongst the people here. And to my right we have a new contestant, Robert Pattinson, who has brought his own version of the Batmobile. The first round will be revving the engine. Pattinson goes first.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
Let me show you a real car. Not like this rookie. Weak. And the winner for this year's Batcar Meetup is... too easy. Robert Pattinson Batman. What? How do you feel about dethroning Christian Bale as the best Batman now? I'm really sad and depressed about it for some reason. How are you planning on celebrating? I'm gonna listen to Nirvana in a pitch black room for 7 hours straight. Ah! Oh, what the hell, man? There can only be one Batman. Whoa, we don't use guns. Well, I do. I guess Robert Pattinson is dead, so we have a new winner. Christian Bale Batman. Can I just say one thing? Sure, go ahead. Come closer, cameraman. I just want to say, I'm Batman. Hey! You stole my catchphrase. This just in, 1989 Michael Keaton Batman has arrived. Dad? You're damn right, son. And I finally brought you that milk.